this is practical work. Let's move to the Eclipse to understand this and how to create Maven project. First of all, go to your file, click here and select the project. Go to the Maven and select the Maven project here and click on next. Click on next, next, and here you can see that there are two options are there, group ID or artifact ID. These are very important. In group ID you have to give your company name. For example, my company name is IZT, okay, and artifact ID is that you have to give your project name. Okay, if I want to make a project by name Anand, I have to give Anand in artifact ID. Now click on finish. Here you can see that a Maven project has been created over here, and here you can see the folder structure. And the most important thing, after the creation of this Maven project, we have to open this pom.xml file and we have to add all the required dependency in this pom.xml file. So friends, this is the way how we create Maven project.